Hi students, in my last class I have discussed some tricks on limits. Today we are going to discuss new tricks. So first easy thing I round up here. Whenever the given limit function, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax by f of x equal to. If this pattern is there, then the answer is 0 always. So based on this, I have allotted some questions here. See, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 4x by 6x. Tell me what is this question answer? No need to think here. Direct we can write the answer. What is the answer? 0. Now come to here. 1 minus cos 2x by x. Answer is what then? Looks like the same pattern. So answer is 0. 1 minus cos 3x by sin 4x. Then answer is 0. Here nothing is there to think. These questions are repeated for KCET also. These model questions. Okay. When we entered in the KCET exam, okay, we need in less time we need to solve the more questions. In my next session, what is the KCET pattern and weightages and how to prepare, everything I am going to tell you all. Please don't miss my next video, and this also you try to share for all your friends. Next, this is there. Now here only x, 6x, sin 4x. It is x square. That means two functions here. You can observe here limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 4x whole divided by x square. I can write it as x into x. Now it is in the form of, see then now 1 minus cos x power n ax. N not there, that's it. Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos ax divided by f1 of cx into f2 of dx is equal to, if power n is there, n I will take. If nothing is there, just will eliminate this n. That means a square by 2cd. What is the formula? A square by 2cd. If suppose power value n is there, n into a square by 2cd. That's it. Nothing is there more than that. So you please observe here. Here power n is there also. Sir, if n value how much here? 1. Okay. So that's why no need to think much about n. Okay. Just if this pattern if I have, then what is the trick formula? A square by 2cd. What is a square means here? 4. 4 square by 2 into x coefficient is 1, this x coefficient is also 1, 4 square is 16 by 2, then 8. What about this question answer? Same. A square means what then? 5 square divided by 2 of x coefficient 1 sin 3x. So here 3. So 25 by 6. What about this then now? 2 square and then whole divided by 2 into x coefficient is 1, tan inverse x 1. So 4 by 2 is 2. How much time you need? Okay, so this calculation also some people won't do, direct they will write answer. Okay, but here power is there, cube is there means what I told the formula, power n. If it is there like this, 1 minus cos x power, cos power n of ax divided by f1 cx, f2 dx is there. What is the trick? N into a square by 2cd. What is n value here? 3. 3 into a square. What is a here? 2. 2 square divided by 2 into CD. C value is how much then? 2. D is 3. Okay. Now 2 square get cancelled. 3 get cancelled. Answer is how much? 1. So it's very easy, no? Suppose you come here then. N value how much then? 2. A square. A square. What is A square means here? 3 square divided by 2 into 3. Now these two get cancelled, square and this 3 by 2 is the answer. Okay, normal method I hope everyone knows. Okay, L'Hospital rule. Actually direct if you apply the limit, okay, cos 0 is 1. Yes or no? In place of x will replace this 0. Cos 4 into 0, cos 0, 1 minus 1. 0 by 0 form I am getting. When I am getting 0 by 0, it is nothing but a indeterminate form. Okay, we cannot define, it is not possible to define. So at that time we can follow L'Hospital rule, okay, or normal method also you can do, or you can go for this trick. L'Hospital rule or normal method, it will take some time. If you go for these all tricks, you can complete in less time. Okay, next model. This is the next trick. You can observe here. Cos 5x minus, limit x tends to 0, cos 5x minus cos 7x divided by 2x into tan 3x. How to do? How much time you need? Okay, so it's very easy. So you observe the trick here. Limit x tends to 0, cos ax minus cos bx whole divided by f1 of x, f2 of cx, or this is you take cx and you please take this is dx. Here also this is a d. Okay, na? This is a d. Now tell me the formula. Trick is just b square minus a square by 2cd. That's it. Okay, the when power value is n is there, we should bring n. Okay, that's it. N of b square minus a square by 2c. If n is there, should bring n in front of that n. If n not there, just we need to write b square minus a square by 2cd. You got it right, my point? Check it now. Now come to the point. So how to find? How much time you need? So now cos ax minus cos bx by, so formula b square minus a. B means how much then 7 square. 7 square is 49 minus 5 square is how much then 25 divided by 2 into C value also 2, D value is also 3. Now let me know how much I am going to get. 9 minus 5 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2, 24 by 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3. Okay. Now can you calculate this? Okay, if you don't know calculations also very easy. 2 table you go, 2 12s are 2 2s are, again 2 6s are, then 3 2s are. The answer is 2. See how much is. I am doing basic calculation, not more than that. For everyone should understand. What about this? What is this answer? This x square, you please write it as x into x. X square, you please write this x into x. After this, tell me b square means 5 square. 5 square is 25 minus a square means 4, 4 square is 16 divided by 2 of 1 into 1. 25 minus 16. What is 25 minus 16 is 9 by 2. That's it. How much time do you need? In seconds we can do if you know these formulas. Now tell me here, cos cube 3x minus cos cube 4x by 3x into sin 2x. Now what to do here? Power n is there. If power n is there, I told b square minus a square by 2cd when power 1. When the power n, some different value is there, you should multiply with n of b square minus a square by 2cd. So now 3 into b square means 4 square is 16 minus 3 square is 9 and then whole divided by 2 into c value is 3, d value is 2. That's it. Now let me know how to calculate 16 minus 9. How much then 7? This 3 get cancelled, 7 by 4 answer. That's it. Is it tough? Just you try to remember the trick. Now here also same, power n is there, n is 2, n value is 2. Then this is a, this is a b. Here I need b square minus a square. B square is 5 square minus a square is what then 2 square 4. 5 square is 25 minus 2 square is 4 whole divided by 2 into x square, we can write it as x into x. So 2 of 1 into 1. Now tell me 2 to get cancelled. 25 minus 4 is 21. Okay, I used this formula and this formula, two formulas. And this formula you see that now. And now the question is in the form of 1 minus cos mx divided by 1 minus cos nx. What I can write then, it is m square by n square. What is m value here? 3. 3 square by 2 square. 3 square is how much then? 9 by 4. See how much easy these are questions. So my dear students, for you all sake, I am going to start the crash course in YouTube, my YouTube channel. From tomorrow onwards, I am going to upload daily one video with short tricks and chapter wise. Okay, and one video I will discuss about how to prepare for KSET and all. Students are asking. Please discuss how to prepare and basic things I will tell, how you need to follow and what are the weightages. Everything I will let you know. Thank you students. Bye.